Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best ice packs for neck and shoulders available on the market, the Atsuwell Ice Pack. Whether you're dealing with post-workout soreness, recovering from an injury, or simply need soothing relief for your neck and shoulders, this product promises to deliver. Let's explore why it might be the perfect fit for your needs. The Atsuwell Ice Pack is designed for effective cold therapy, specifically targeting neck and shoulder pain. It's crafted with 30% more low ice point gel compared to other packs, ensuring it stays pliable and provides superior cold compression therapy. This means it's not only great for reducing swelling and inflammation but also speeds up the healing process post-injury or surgery. What sets the Atsuwell Ice Pack apart is its dual fabric design. On one side, you have a soft minky fabric that's gentle on the skin and prevents frostbite. This allows you to apply the pack directly without needing extra wrapping. If you need more intense cold therapy, simply flip it over to the nylon side, which provides a more intense chill. One of the standout features is its hands-free application. Thanks to the snap fastener and well-balanced weight distribution, you can secure it comfortably around your upper back. This ensures the pack stays in place, giving you freedom to move around whether you're at home, in the office, or even outdoors. Beyond neck and shoulders, the Atsuwell Ice Pack is versatile. Its wide sealed edge and thick nylon cover prevent leaks and ensure durability. You can also use it on your upper back, waist, or other body parts experiencing muscle pain, joint soreness, or inflammation. Atsuwell prides itself on high-quality craftsmanship. The pack is built to last, with meticulous attention to detail to avoid any discomfort or gel leakage. Plus, they offer excellent customer support worldwide, ensuring satisfaction even after your purchase. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable ice pack that provides targeted relief for neck and shoulder pain, look no further than the Atsuwell Ice Pack. Its innovative design, coupled with the enhanced cooling properties and hands-free application, make it a standout choice for anyone needing effective cold therapy. If you've tried the Atsuwell Ice Pack or have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.